Hello everyone. After reinstalling the operating system and the necessary software, we need to restore all the previous data into the database. We will use the backup file MySQL DB backup that we created earlier. Let's go through the process of restoring the database from this backup file. Question is restore the database. To restore the MySQL DB database using the backup file, MySQL DB backup.SQF. We will use the following SQL query. This restore query ensures that all the data from our MySQL DB backup.SQL file is accurately restored into our MySQL DB database. By performing this restoration, we bring back all the previous information of students and teachers, maintaining the continuity of our data. Thank you for watching, and I hope this explanation helped you understand how to restore database effectively.